Now let's hear a story about light. The history of light is a bit strange. It is mostly about a bunch of really smart people arguing whether light is a wave or a particle for a long time, until someone finally came along and said, hey, it's both. So around the year 480, someone said that light is a stream of particles. Then a group of people kept deriving the same equation for a long period of 700 years before it was finally published. Only one of those guys got the credit for this discovery, and his name was Snell. It was around the turn of the 17th century that the argument of wave particle started all over again, with this French guy publishing his theory of refraction and proclaiming that light is a wave. Then another guy by the name of Huygens also said that yeah, light's a wave and it travels slower in a denser medium. But then around the same time, our friend Newton came along and said that no, light is made up of particles called corpuscles. And since he was really famous, people accepted his theory. After a gap of about 200 years, Thomas Young performed a famous experiment that finally established that light is a wave. Just note that I am highlighting only some of the main events in the history of light. If you're interested to read more about it, I will link an article in the description. So back to our story. After Thomas Young's experiment, Michael Faraday established the fact that light is an electromagnetic wave. Then Maxwell published his complete theory on electromagnetic radiation, and after that we finally ended up with Max Planck's quantum theory that established light as being both a wave and a particle. Phew, that was long. The point of the story was that there have been many theories to understand the working of light, and each theory had its positive results. The refraction theory by this French guy was the beginning of the theory that we are going to study today.